Hi, I'm Sanj from Currys and I'm here to talk about some things you can do to make sure we deliver your washing machine or tumble dryer right the first time. Accessibility is really important. Say for example a bin lorry can't access your home. If you can let us know in advance so we can arrange for the delivery of your item in a smaller vehicle. Having the right contact number is really important. As I say, most of our communication comes in via text, so having your mobile number rather than your landline is most important to us. On the day of the delivery, we'll contact you by phone call or by text to give you a 4-hour delivery window so you know when to expect us. For the delivery of your tech, please check the size of all your doorways so we can get it where you want it. It's helpful if the path is clear when we make the delivery, so just double checking that there's nothing in the way really helps. Also, if there's a few steps going into or up to your property, it's helpful to know in advance so we can bring specialist lifting equipment if we need it. If you've asked us to recycle your old appliance when we deliver the new one, just empty it, disconnect it from the pipework and drain any water. If your product is integrated, just remove any doors and plinths prior to delivery. If you're not going to be in, or you need to change the date of your delivery or time or update your contact details, we'll text you a link where you can do that online. Also, you might get a call from our services team before the delivery to make sure you're ready for our arrival. All of this stuff makes a big difference and really helps us to get your delivery right the first time.